Let's be real. Most new sewing machines are just old models with a new sticker. 2026 is finally different. In this video, I'm showing you the top 5 newly released sewing machines that actually feel smarter, smoother, and easier to use. Real upgrades that are worth your money this year. Starting at number 5. At number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 6800C. And I'll be honest, this is Singer fixing years of bad habits. If you've used older heavy-duty Singer machines, you already know the story. Loud motors, aggressive speed, inconsistent stitching on thicker seams, and a general feeling that the machine is working against you instead of with you. The 6800C finally cleans that up. This feels like Singer actually listened to real users, instead of just pushing out another heavy-duty label. You still get that strong motor, and yes, it can handle denim, canvas, thick layers without hesitation, but now it does it in a controlled way. The speed doesn't jump unpredictably, and the stitching doesn't start breaking down when things get dense. What stands out immediately is how much more refined it feels. The vibration is reduced, the sound is more contained, and you're not constantly adjusting settings just to keep things stable. It feels like a modern machine, not a recycled design from a decade ago. You're getting a fully computerized setup now, with multiple stitch options, adjustable speed control, and a layout that actually makes sense for beginners. It's not overwhelming, but it's not outdated either. Realistically, you're paying around $300 to $400, and for that price, this is one of the few machines in 2026 that actually feels like a proper upgrade from older mechanical models. If you're still using something basic and struggling with thicker fabrics or inconsistent results, this is a no-brainer step forward. But make no mistake, this is still a grounded machine. It's not trying to be smart or advanced. It's just finally doing the basics properly, and that alone makes it relevant again in 2026. At number 4, Brother CP100X Computerized Sewing Machine. And this is one of those machines that doesn't try to impress you. It just quietly fixes everything that used to be annoying. Brother's approach in 2026 is very clear. Instead of flooding the market with dozens of confusing models, they're focusing on replacing older machines with cleaner, more refined versions. The CP100X feels like a direct result of that shift. When you use it, the difference is subtle but important. The interface is more responsive, the buttons feel more modern, and the overall experience is smoother. You're not dealing with laggy controls or confusing menus like you used to on older entry-level computerized machines. The stitch quality is consistent across the board. You get around 100 stitches, but more importantly, they're usable in real situations. This isn't one of those machines where half the features feel like filler just to boost numbers. What really stands out is the fabric handling. Lightweight fabrics don't shift as much, medium-weight materials feed more evenly, and the machine feels more stable overall. It's forgiving in a way that older models weren't. This is priced around $200 to $300, and in 2026, this is what a proper entry-level machine should look like. It's not flashy, it's not overpowered, but it's reliable in a way that older machines simply weren't. If you're someone who just wants a modern machine that works without constant frustration, this is exactly that. No gimmicks, no nonsense, just a clean, updated experience that feels like it belongs in this year.
At number 3, Juki HZL NX7 Kirei. And this is where things get serious. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a completely different level of sewing. Juki didn't try to make this machine friendly or overly simplified. Instead, they focused on precision, stability, and performance, and you can feel that immediately. The stitching is incredibly clean. Straight lines are sharp, consistent, and professional looking without you having to fight for it. The feed system is one of the biggest upgrades here. In 2026, Juki is clearly pushing advanced fabric handling, and it shows. Multiple layers, thick seams, tricky materials, it handles all of it without losing alignment or dragging. You don't feel resistance, and you don't feel the machine struggling. The entire build feels solid. It doesn't vibrate excessively, it doesn't feel unstable at higher speeds, and it maintains consistency in a way that most home machines simply can't match. You're also getting a large workspace, advanced stitch customization, and a level of control that experienced users will immediately appreciate. But let's be clear, this machine expects you to know what you're doing. It's not going to guide you or correct your mistakes. It gives you the tools, and it expects you to use them properly. At around $2,500 to $3,000, this is a serious investment. But for people who are tired of inconsistent results and want something that delivers precision every single time, this is one of the strongest machines released in 2026. This isn't for casual users. This is for people who care about accuracy, consistency, and professional-level results. At number 2, Baby Lock Ballad Sewing Machine, and this is where 2026 starts to feel genuinely different. This machine doesn't just improve sewing, it changes how sewing feels. Baby Lock has focused heavily on automation and user experience, and the result is something that feels almost effortless to use. The auto-adjust technology is the highlight here, and unlike most smart features, this one actually works consistently. The machine adjusts tension and stitch settings in real time based on what you're doing. You don't have to constantly stop and tweak things, it just stays balanced. That alone removes one of the biggest frustrations in selling. You're not second-guessing your settings, and you're not ruining projects because of small mistakes. The stitching is smooth, the motion is controlled, and the entire experience feels forgiving. It's one of those machines where you sit down and everything just flows naturally. Even if you're experienced, this saves time. You're not constantly adjusting settings, which means you can focus more on the actual work. Pricing is around $2,000 to $2,500, and while that's definitely premium, you're paying for a machine that actively makes your life easier, not just more powerful, easier. This is one of the few machines in 2026 that genuinely feels like it's helping you, not just responding to you. And finally, at number 1, Janome Continental M6 Professional. This is what a flagship sewing machine is supposed to look like in 2026. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just a complete, refined system that delivers at every level. The speed is one of the first things you notice. It can push up to 1,300 stitches per minute, but it doesn't lose control when you get there. It stays stable, consistent, and smooth, which is something older machines simply couldn't handle. The automation is also extremely well executed. Threading, tension adjustments, stitch optimization, it's all streamlined to the point where you're barely thinking about it. The machine handles the technical side so you can focus on the actual sewing. But what really makes this stand out is the level of control. You can fine-tune settings in a way that feels professional, but it doesn't overwhelm you. Everything is accessible, everything makes sense, and the machine adapts to your workflow instead of forcing you into its system. It reminds me a lot of how Tesla changed expectations in its space, combining automation with control in a way that actually works in real life. The workspace is large, the build quality is solid, and the entire machine feels like it's built for serious use. Whether you're working on large projects, detailed designs, or consistent production work, this machine holds up without limitations. At $3,500 to $4,000, it's not cheap, but if you're serious about sewing in 2026, this is one of the few machines that actually feels worth that level of investment. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a long-term solution. And that's a wrap. These are the top 5 newly released 2026 sewing machines that actually live up to the hype and make a real difference when you sit down to sew. If you're serious about upgrading this year, these are the ones worth your attention. Drop a comment and let me know which machine you're eyeing, or if you think I missed a game changer in 2026. I want to hear it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more honest, no-fluff gear breakdowns for serious buyers.